Okay, this is a chewed up armrest on the Honda CRV. You have to remove the screws over here, down there's one, and you have to remove that plate. And that's basically about it for now. Okay, this is the piece. These are all the screws you have to remove to get access to putting the cover on. Those are the pieces you should have. I took the bracket off. I don't know if I should have or not, but more the merrier. It took 2 seconds with that. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot melt glue the seam to the seam on this. Just put like two little, maybe 3 or 4 different spots, and then I'm going to overlap everything and just cut what has to click on, and that's it. And that's how I would do it. And I'm not going to take this piece off. I'm not going to bother getting rid of it because it has some padding to it, but this has none. The fabric itself has 0. Anyway, hope this helps. Have a great day. Take care. Bye. Alright, I was thinking that I'm not going to cover it entirely. What I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this up, and I'm just going to take a straight edge on this side and cut. You can actually do it from that side too. This way you'll have the plastic as the backing. And just remove everything that's going to reattach to the door panel. And then it should be fine. I'll see how it comes out, but I just wanted to share this. Okay, just finished gluing this together. I used the hot melt glue. And you definitely have to remove the foam so it has some plastic to stick to, or at least remove the foam where you're going to glue it. And just take your time. I would say this job total from taking the door panel off to putting it back on is about 3 hours. I've been on this for about a good hour and change, just taking my time. And this is what it looks like on the flip side. I'll take one more video of it installed and let you know if there's any other issues. Alright, it's all completed. Looks pretty good. Came out nice. I'm happy.